Hello everyone, hope you all are safe and sound. Welcome to my channel Technozara. Friends, as you know in my videos I talk about cryptocurrency, NFTs, and cryptocurrency is a type of currency which uses digital files as money. Usually the files are creating using the same ways as cryptography. Digital signatures can be used to keep the transaction safe and let the other people check that the transaction are real. Transaction cost very low. It's very safe and sound. Today I am sharing with you very exciting website which where you can easily earn and as well as playing. You can play to earn. It's a best and two-in-one opportunity that enjoying and as well as earning. It's very looking superb. So friends, come on, let's check it and see all the features, all the details, all the benefits hidden in it. So before starting my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can easily approach my next video. Here we are on the interface of Land of Abyss. Yeah, it's a very fantastic website. Land of Abyss Play to Earn. It's RPG game with retro classically concept. And friends, PG game. It's role playing game in which players assume the roles of characters in a fictional settings. It's a slang term mostly used acronyms in online chats and texting. Okay, it's a very different and very enjoying website. We will check out next. It's a Play and Google Play very soon. It will launch, and in App Store it's coming soon. In about we check out Land of Abyss is a BSC game fee token launched by Land of Abyss Development. Land of Abyss focuses on game fee technology that can be used to facilitate user transactions across Land of Abyss ecosystem. Land of Abyss goal is to provide users with convenient and complete support, including the following function: NFT ownership, marketplace, P2E, PvP fee, and for future Land of Abyss will have their own ecosystem. And here we have its social media links, so you can easily approach them: Medium, Twitter, Telegram, Facebook. You must follow their pages, get in touch with them, like their pages, and participate with the chat. So you can easily you can get all the updates, all the details about the token, about the gameplay. So you must, first step is to follow their pages and get in touch with their social media links. Here we have the tokenomics and we check out it. Total supply you can see here 60 million, and it's 10% burn, 35% play to earn, 25% liquidity, 10% private sale, 15% pre-sale, 3% marketing, and 2% for dev. The next one we have roadmap, and it's phase 1: website launch, game development, community growth, private sale, pre-sale, game demo, testnet, PancakeSwap launch, smart contract audit, marketing push. And in phase 2 we will have DApp launch, game beta, P2E and staking NFT marketplace, PvP mod, CMC and CG listing. It's mean CMC coin market cap and CoinGecko listing, paid advertising. Phase 3 game launch, Certic audit, influencer push, list on CEX coin exchange, and release app version, marketplace upgrade. Phase 4 further development, ecosystem improvement, big partnership, multi-chain expanding, and continue the other updates. Choose your hero. The character will be launched very soon. Arthur, Warrior, and Selfie and Altha. The characters will be very soon launched. Here we have the exchanges CoinGecko, Binance Smart Chain, and the next one is CoinMarketCap. And Audit and TechRate, it's coming soon. Certic. Here we have the all social media links. So you must have in touch with them and follow them. Friends, something I will tell you about this website. Here I have some details about the rewards and I must share with you. Here we have Shield Hard to get ticket, whitelisted and rewards. They say that we just make offer by Shiller Army will get whitelisted for pre-sale and the winner of best Shiller will get a special reward. Bonus prize $260. The 5 of our best Shiller will receive. First winner $100, second winner $75, third winner $50, fourth winner $25, fifth winner $10. The remaining of 50 Abyssal Army will get a whitelisted for our pre-sale. Price Land of Abyss private sale 60 LOA per BNB and pre-sale 45 LOA per BNB and launch price 45 LOA per BNB. Soft cap is 100 BNB and hard cap is 200 BNB. Here you can see their social media links. Join their LOA official chat. The address is available and I will put in the description. You can easily get there. Join LOA Shield Army group and Shield on Telegram and Twitter. Check out their website link available. Make a screenshot of your Shield and post it our shilling group. Extra entry points if you have a LOA profile picture on any social media, not necessary Telegram. And duplicate proofs texting in group or cheating is equal to auto disqualification. So winners of private sale ticket will be announced by confirmation email from the team. And here is the Twitter address available. Twitter address, you can here check out it. So these are the all the features about the website about this, and you must follow their website links and social media links so you can avail all the updates about the token. And it's very exciting and very easy to purchase, and it will very soon launch on PancakeSwap. So guys, it's very profitable and very important that you must don't waste your time and get in soon. Friends, I have discussed all the features and all the details about this. So hopefully you like the video. So till then, my next video, take care, bye.